Hello folks, are you aware that our waste generation has gone beyond limits? As a leader, it is high time we act responsibly. Do the 5 R's. Refuse, reduce, reuse, repurpose, and then recycle. Our waste such as bottles, paper, cans and cardboard should be properly disposed and not on the streets. In the bustling tapestry of urban life, amidst the constant movement and vibrant energy of city streets, lies an often overlooked facet of communal responsibility: street cleanliness. The awareness of keeping our streets clean is not merely a matter of aesthetics but a profound reflection of our collective stewardship of the environments we inhabit. From the quiet corners of residential neighborhoods to the bustling thoroughfares of city centers, each discarded wrapper, stray can, or neglected waste bin tells a story of our relationship with our surroundings. Oldp presents the study titled Perceptions on the Level of Efficiency of a Road Cleaning Machine. Cleanliness has been a crucial part of human societies. Over time, people have developed new and innovative ways of maintaining this cleanliness to avoid harmful effects of waste. However, the demand for a more effective and efficient way of waste management increases as waste output is directly proportional to the increase of human population. People produce 2.01 billion tons of municipal waste. The most common item discovered spilled on roads is cigarette butts, 38%, followed by plastic, 19%, and paper, 22%. Pedestrians, 22.8%, drivers, 52%, improperly secured dumpsters, trash cans, or residential waste or recycling bins, 1.5%, improperly covered truck or cargo loads, including collection vehicles, 16.4%, and pedestrians, 22.8%, are the main individual actions that contribute to littering along roadways. The city has hired roughly 100 street sweepers and cleaners to keep up the port, streets, parks, and other public open spaces because of the huge waste that Filipinos produce. Though they bring brooms, dustpans, and kariton, or trash bags, to clean the streets. Statement of the problem. The main purpose of this study is to seek the perceptions and awareness of the cleanliness of the environment. Specifically, the study aims to answer these following questions. 1. What is the perceptions of the respondents in the cleanliness of the environment around them? 2. How knowledgeable are the respondents about cleanliness in their community in terms of waste management and proper disposal of trash? Presentation and interpretation of data. Graph number 1: Demographic profile of the respondents. There are 39 students in Grade Our Lady of Sacred Heart, 15 or 38.46% boys and 24 or 61.54% girls of the total population. Graph number 2: Students' perception on the road cleanliness. Average of a 4-point Likert scale interpretation basis used to interpret the data collected. For statement number 1, there are noticeable trash and garbages littered on the roadside, specifically on national roads. The data shows an average of 3.2. Therefore, most of the respondents strongly agree with. For statement number 2, plastics and dried leaves are the common trash found in our roadside or streets. The data shows an average of 3.41. Therefore, most of the respondents strongly agree with the statement. For statement number 3, streets in my area are cleaned every day. The data shows an average of 1.79. Therefore, most of the respondents disagree with the statement. For statement number 4, there is an improvement in the cleanliness of our streets in the past years. The data shows an average of 2.72. Therefore, most of the respondents agree with the statement. For statement number 5, proper waste disposal facilities are easily accessible in my area. The data shows an average of 2.49. Therefore, most of the respondents disagree with the statement. For statement number 6, there are street cleaners in some specific areas in my town. The data shows an average of 2.77. Therefore, most of the respondents agree with this statement. For statement number 7, sidewalks are hard to pass by because of littering. The data shows an average of 2.33. Therefore, most of the respondents disagree with this statement. For statement number 8, street cleaners in my town are efficient in maintaining the cleanliness of our streets, especially cemented roadsides. The data shows an average of 2.77. Therefore, most of the respondents agree with this statement. For statement number 9, cleaning our streets or roadsides contributes to a safer and more pleasant environment. The data shows an average of 3.49. Therefore, most of the respondents strongly agree with this statement. For statement number 10, there is a need to increase public awareness about the importance of keeping the roadside clean. The data shows an average of 3.49. Therefore, most of the respondents strongly agree with this statement. For statement number 11, road cleanliness impacts road safety. The data shows an average of 3.77. Therefore, most of the respondents strongly agree with this statement. For statement number 12, regular maintenance of streets and roadsides promotes cultural enrichment and impact on tourism. The data shows an average of 3.77. Therefore, most of the respondents strongly agree with this statement. For statement number 13, unclean streets can cause health problems such as risk of respiratory infections and other diseases. The data shows an average of 3.56. Therefore, most of the respondents strongly agree with this statement. For statement number 14, areas such as highways in my town are the most highly affected by littering. The data shows an average of 2.85. Therefore, most of the respondents agree with this statement. For statement number 15, littering by people, lack of cleaning services and poor waste management contributes to dirty roadside or streets. The data shows an average of 3.54. Therefore, most of the respondents strongly agree with this statement. For statement number 16, community-driven initiatives should be strengthened to beautify roadsides. The data shows an average of 3.54. Therefore, most of the respondents strongly agree with this statement. For statement number 17, innovative approaches should be used to solve road cleaning issues in my area. The data shows an average of 3.31. Therefore, most of the respondents strongly agree with this statement. For statement number 18, implementing eco-friendly practices ensures cleaner streets and enhanced community well-being. For statement number 19, there are enough infrastructures, tools and materials in my town for waste disposal and to maintain cleanliness on roadsides. The data shows an average of 2.77. In conclusion, based on the results, it appears that respondents in their community have varying levels of awareness and understanding. While some students are knowledgeable and proactive about proper garbage disposal, others may lack the same degree of understanding or commitment to preserving cleanliness. Overall, initiatives to raise waste management education and awareness, as well as acceptable disposal methods, may result in a more cohesive and responsible community approach to road and environmental cleanliness.
The respondents strongly agree that trashes are visible in our community, such as plastics and dried leaves. Cleaning our streets contributes to a safer and more pleasant environment, and there is a need to increase public awareness based on the results. Aside from that, the respondents are knowledgeable enough about the effects of having a clean environment. Lastly, based on the results, implementing eco-friendly practices ensures cleaner streets through tools and innovation.